Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make Ethiopian injera with teff and barley. What you'll be needing is 8 cups of teff flour and 4 cups of barley flour, a starter which is ersho, and water, and a large sealable container. So now let's get started. First add 8 cups of teff flour to your starter and 4 cups of barley flour and room temperature water, about 4 cups. And now we'll mix the ingredients very well until there are no clumps, and make sure ingredients are thoroughly combined. Add more water on top so it will easily be fermented. And here I'm just making sure there are no big chunks of clumps. And let it sit for about 3 days in a warm, dark place. And here you just want to make sure you add some more water on top before you close your lid. On the third day, open your container and you will see a murky water on top. Discard the murky water and stir the batter. Now let's make our apsit. Apsit will help making your injera to have a very good texture and make it soft and nice. What you'll need for the apsit is about 2 cups of water, 1 cup of butter, and 2 cups of boiled water. Once your water is boiled, now you can add your apsit, which is 1 cup of apsit, and mix it well for about 2 to 3 minutes. and let it cool down, then add it to your lead or batter. Mix well and make sure your batter is at the right consistency with no clumping. Then close your lid and let it sit for about 4 to 8 hours. After 8 hours, your batter will be foamy, and that's when you'll know your batter is ready for making injera. Heat your non-stick cooking surface or metal to a medium heat. I usually use 350 to 400 degree Fahrenheit, but you can test your cooking surface until you find the right temperature for you. Then there you have it, beautiful injera. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.